Today we will talk about where to check fee and status of the coins. Open buyucoin.com/fee page in your browser. Scroll down and you will get all fee regarding details like trading fee, withdrawal fee, deposit fee. Also, you will get to know about minimum and maximum deposit withdrawal details. Then to check the status of the coins, open buyucoin.com/status page. Here you will get all details of each coins, that if their withdrawal deposits are working or not, and also which network do we support. However, every coins has their different network. Thanks for watching. Please go like and subscribe our BuyUcoin YouTube channel.